Welcome back to the kitchen, guys. If you're a big fan of the Jamaican festival, this video is for you. So stay with me. I'll be right back.
Welcome to BIZA'S Kitchen and more. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
It's cooking time.
So recently, my cousin Marcia asked me, how can I enjoy the Jamaican festival without the grease? So I'm using this festival mix. I figure you can use any mix that you choose to make this, right? So I'm using 2 packs to make enough because we're making breakfast this morning. All you need to do is add water, right? And we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna use a lot of water because we want it not hard, but we want it soft enough to pour a liquid, because we're going to be putting these in the oven. So doing the festival this way, it will prevent you from absorbing all that oil when you fry it, because I love festival. However, I don't eat it a lot because frying it, the dough sucks all the oil, and that all will transform in your body later on. So we're trying to live a healthy lifestyle, and this is a way that I tried it recently and I was like, it worked. So let me just go ahead and do this video. So Marcia, this video is for you. So you slowly, gradually add your water because you don't want it to be too watery, right? And you just whisk away. So again, doing the festival this way, it prevents you from frying it, because while we all love some fried food, we can know the end result after. So try to do things as much as possible the healthy way, right? It's for your overall long-term health, you know. Nobody say you can have some fried food now and then, but hey. So this is the consistency that we want, right? So it's like your bacon. So now we have our baking sheets. And now we're gonna pour our ingredients. So what I did, I put a little oil with some flour to prevent our festival from sticking to the pan. Right? So I'm just gonna pour in the mixture in both pans and put them in the oven for 30 minutes. So now we're gonna transfer the dough into the pan, and you don't want to fill it to the brim. So you want to do it like halfway up, like that, right? Because they will be rising and you don't want it to spill over in your oven. I would definitely serve it with some Ackee saltfish if that was available right now. But yeah, any way you like, and enjoy it as you want. So I'm taking my time because you don't want to rush the process. Cooking is such a fun process. It can be, you know, slow at times. However, the end result is usually great. So you just clean up your stuff. And now we're gonna put them in the oven. Our oven was preheated for 350 degrees, and we're gonna just leave them in for 30 minutes. So they're done, and we'll be serving them shortly for you guys to see, okay? Yes. So yeah, they have no grease. Okay. See? Oh, this is actually. Ooh. Oh my god.
Good. This is actually good, Mama. It is good. My first time. I like this.
So that's our breakfast, okay?
I can eat another one of those.
Guys, bear in mind that our festival will not have that golden brown color as when it is being done in oil. It's done in the oven, but you can still see we still get that little brown thing, and it was so delicious.
See how easy they are to be removed? Here you have it, guys. Festival straight from the oven.
Here we have our festivals being served with eggs, beans, vegetables. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye!